This is why you're going to visit Truth and Equity and what you can expect. This is real simple. All you have to do is provide your name with the email and phone number, and we ask that you tell us how you found us. If it's not one of these in the drop down, just type it in. You will receive further ebooks, which are very interesting reads that help you understand how this works and why this works. After you click on Begin Analysis, this is where you'll provide basic information about your mortgage and some of your other cursory budget information. So just give us what you owe on your mortgage currently, what your last refi or origination loan amount was, and when you did that. If you recently refied, we want that. If you haven't refied since you purchased, then we want that. The current interest rate, what your payment is. Be as accurate as possible here. If you got a 15-year or a 30-year or a 5-year ARM or whatever, what the current value is, what your occupation is, what your credit score is, what your current take-home pay is, what you deposit into your checking account each month. Not your gross, but your net. And then your average monthly expenses, excluding the mortgage, because you just accounted for that up here. We just want to know water, electric, cell phone, gas, insurances, things like that. Your aggregate or combined monthly expenses, living expenses, as it's explained here. And then calculate your payoff. And you'll receive an immediate debt-free result with a comparison of what you could be doing if you were using this program and what you're doing to yourself today by not using the program and its cost and impact on your finances. You can also get a detailed report or the ebook. We also ask that you verify your email. You'll receive an email that allows you to verify your email, so this box will go away. This is what an email will look like. Thank you for visiting. And you can either click here or just copy and paste this link right in here and put it in here. And then you'll see this gets verified. And once you verify your email, this is what you'll receive. You'll see, notice that big box is missing. And you have your quick analysis. Plus you can drill into some of the details. And that's why you visit Truth and Equity. Pretty simple.